Yum! Ooh! It already smells like salsa, but it's gonna be so good when it's smoked. So this super easy smoked salsa recipe comes together very quickly. You just have to prep it by dicing up your vegetables. Use any sort of tomatoes you want, and you can use whatever quantities of these things you want, but you can print out my Traeger smoked salsa recipe at Sip Bite Go. So tomatoes, lime, I like to get the zest and then juice it after it's done smoking. Some red onion, you could use any sort of onion. Don't forget garlic, some jalapeno. Use more if you want it spicy or less if you don't. I like to put all of these vegetables to smoke on a like a drying rack, or not a drying rack, it's called a cooling rack or something like that. Something that you can put directly on the grill grate. I just find it's easier for some of these ingredients that are smaller and might slip through the Traeger grill grates. So I like to put some sort of wire rack on top. So I just assemble it all in my kitchen. And then just pop on the limes. I just want to tell you something special about the limes. You want to make sure when they come off the smoker that you don't use them too liberally. You don't want to get the inside, like the pulp of the lime, into the salsa when you blend it all in later, because that'll make it a little bit bitter. So all your vegetables get seasoned with salt, pepper, some barbecue rub, or any sort of seasoning you'd like, and then put them on a wire rack just like you see here, and then pop them on the smoker. They're gonna smoke for about an hour to 90 minutes at 250 degrees Fahrenheit until they're smoked to your desired level. This is so simple. You can flip them halfway through if you remember. Then when they come out, you can blend them all up. I'm about to show you the most tasty looking lime in the world. This recipe inspires so many others. I have a smoked margarita with these smoked limes coming up on Sip Bite Go soon. But anyways, so you just pull these off the Traeger, you add some cilantro, you blend it all up there. Make sure this is like, I did not like that I got all of the inside pulp of the lime in there. You got to really put it through a sieve or a strainer. Just pop all the other vegetables in there and blend it all up. You can take the skins off of the tomatoes if you'd like. And then it's time to make your salsa. Now, don't blend it up too much if you don't want a really smooth salsa. You can make a chunky salsa, whatever you desire. This all fit right in my NutriBullet, which was pretty easy to do. So all just gets blended up and then serve with chips. Obviously, put it in tacos. I have a whole tutorial coming on throwing a smoked taco night. So more on that soon. But until next time, don't forget to check out some of my other recipes at Sip Bite Go. I have other yummy things like smoked queso there. And I hope you have a wonderful and delicious day. Cheers!